Listen to the questions and answers and improve your English. Do you have a name?
Yes, of course I have a name.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I am from Warsaw. It's the capital of Poland.
Do you think Warsaw is a great place to live?
Yes. I think Warsaw is a great place to live.
How old are you, Sarah?
I am 32 years old.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student.
What do you do for a living?
I am a lawyer.
Do you love your job?
I think it's a nice job. But it's not my dream job.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What do you do for fun?
For fun, I like to go hiking or watch Netflix.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Do you like dogs, or do you prefer cats?
I like dogs, but I don't mind cats.
Why do you like dogs?
I like dogs because they are loyal companions.
Do you have any friends at work?
Yes, I have several friends at work.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jennifer.
Do you know what Logos English course is?
Yes. I bought this course on Udemy last month, and I think it's the best online English course.
Why do you like this course so much?
It teaches you to think in English and to speak fluently.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't play any musical instrument.
Do you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I wake up in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Did you go anywhere last weekend?
Yes. I went to a really cool place last weekend.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach last weekend.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actress is Emma Watson.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
When did you learn to ride a bicycle?
I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 10 years old.
Why did you choose to learn English?
I chose to learn English because it's important for communication and travel.
Can you dance?
No, I can't dance very well. But I enjoy trying.
Who cooks in your family?
My mom usually cooks in my family.
When is the best time to visit the beach?
The best time to visit the beach is during the summer, when the weather is warm.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I enjoy watching soccer on TV.
What's the funniest movie you've ever seen?
The funniest movie I've ever seen is Superbad.
Who is your favorite music artist?
My favorite music artist is Ed Sheeran.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had cereal and a banana for breakfast today.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos to capture memories.
Who is the oldest person in your family?
The oldest person in my family is my grandmother.
What's the most interesting place you've visited?
The most interesting place I visited is Paris.
Why do some people like to climb mountains?
Some people like to climb mountains for the adventure and the amazing views from the top.
Who is your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is SpongeBob SquarePants.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a travel writer.
When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
What's the best thing about weekends?
The best thing about weekends is having time to relax and do fun activities.
Can you play modern video games?
Not really, but I want to learn how to play one of them.
Do you think you are a messy person?
No, I don't think I'm a messy person.
Do you know any messy people?
Yes, I know several messy people.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Who is your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. Because he's really cool.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I'm scared of spiders.
When do you have English class?
I have English class on Mondays.
How often do you exercise?
I try exercise 3 times a week.
Who is taller, you or your brother?
My brother is taller than me.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
What's the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus to work.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school was science.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 sister and 1 brother.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I play video games and watch movies.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes. I enjoy listening to all kinds of music.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing the guitar.
Do you like to go to the movies?
Yes. I enjoy watching movies at the theater.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes. I enjoy shopping for clothes and accessories.
Thank you for watching my video.